Gentlemen, Captain speaking. I would like to inform you that in a few minutes we will be landing at our destination. The weather is unfortunately bad and we may experience some. So, fasten your seatbelts and keep them fastened. Thank you. This is Captain. Brace for impact.
Brace! 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 Brace!
This is an emergency. Evacuate! Evacuate!
Fasten seatbelts immediately and evacuate using the closest exit. Leave your luggage and go
Block exit! Fire is coming! Go to the front! Go to the front!